Attention bald men. Today I'm reviewing the Kenson S36 electric head shaver. This was sent to me by the folks at Kenson in exchange for my review, so let's check this out. First of all, here's how the unit looks. It is designed to fit nicely in your hand. I've used several of the Kenson products before. This one is nice because it's so big. It's got a nice contour to it, so it easily fits on your head and it shaves quickly. So here's all the features. The charging is USB-C, which is right here. They do include the cable, the USB to USB-C. They also include a little cleaning brush and a user's manual. You're not gonna need the user's manual because I'm gonna show you right now everything you need to know. So to do this, you're gonna first charge it up till it's 100%. There is an LED display on the front, which tells you the charge and the speed. And to speed it up again, you just tap and it goes faster. So that's the settings there. If you're traveling with this and you don't want it to accidentally turn on in your luggage, you can long press and that will put it into a travel lock mode. So now if you accidentally bump the button, it's not going to turn on. To undo the travel lock press, you simply long press again and it'll count down, and now it's ready to go. Cleaning this is also super easy. And by the way, this is IPX6 waterproof, so you can use this in the shower. It makes it really easy to shave your head. I'm gonna demonstrate shaving my head right now out of the shower, and most of the time that is how I tend to use this. Here's how you clean this and what makes this so cool. This whole unit here pops off magnetically, so now you can just rinse this under the sink and this under the sink. All of these are spring loaded. You can see I'm pressing on this one up here. So they are spring action, so they will always give a nice comfortable touch to the head, so it makes it so that everything's getting shaved pretty much evenly. Putting this back is also great because it can face any direction, doesn't matter. The magnets will lock it back in place, even if you're off by one like this or two. It doesn't matter, which is fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave my head. You can see I've got a little bit going here. I kind of call this the Chia Pet phase, and we will show you how fast and effective this thing does shave. So I'm gonna put this on the faster setting because I get better results that way. So here we go. And at this point, I mean, that is really close. I don't know if you can see the difference. So from this side to this side, this does get a very nice close shave. I do find that I have to kind of move it more than once over each area, which I don't mind. Kind of feel like I'm washing my head, but shaving. And you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear when it's cutting the hair. So I know which areas have been shaven already and which ones have not been shaven. So I'm gonna do half of the head so you can do a half by half comparison. And there we go. So there's half, this half is shaven, this half is not. So I think it does a pretty good job. Here's the look from the back. I shave this side, not this side. And then when I'm all done, I just open this up and I can kind of bang this out over the sink and then rinse it out. I actually leave this separated after I rinse it so that it dries, and then you're good to go. So I think this thing's awesome. If you're looking for a fantastic way to shave a bald head, I highly recommend this. If you'd like to grab one of these, there's a link in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit like on this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.